here at 512 and we are packing meals for children in need in the local Utah area. And we packed roughly 3,000 bags of food for children in need. This was such an amazing evening. It was awesome to see all of the individuals come together, especially our crew at Tranont for the Live Where You Live initiative. And we worked in a very efficient system. We got things done in the quickest time, record time, they said, and I really think it came down to a quick, efficient system. If you want to donate, you can go to 512.org or go to Tranont's website at tranont.com and go to the Live Where You Live page on the community tab.